England, a land of rich history and profound influence. This small island nation boasts a history as grand and captivating as any epic tale. Its landscapes tell stories of ancient times, and its cities pulse with the energy of modern life. From ancient settlements to global superpower, England's journey through time has shaped the world we know today. The echoes of its past resonate in every corner of the globe. Its cultural and linguistic influence echoes across continents, a testament to its enduring legacy. The English language, literature and customs have left an indelible mark on societies far and wide. This is the story of England, a tale of invasions and conquests, of kings and queens, of triumphs and tragedies. Each era has contributed to the rich tapestry of its history. It is a journey through time, from the misty depths of prehistory to the vibrant tapestry of modern life. The evolution of England is a testament to resilience and innovation. England's story is not merely confined to the past. It is a living, breathing narrative that continues to evolve. It lives and breathes in the present, in the language we speak, the laws we uphold, and the traditions we cherish. The spirit of England is woven into the fabric of daily life. Join us as we delve into the epic history of England, exploring the pivotal events and key figures that have left an indelible mark on this small island with a global footprint. Discover the legacy that continues to shape our world. Before written records, before the Romans, before the Anglo-Saxons, the land we now call England was a tapestry of forests, marshes, and rolling hills. Nomadic hunter-gatherers roamed these lands, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. The Stone Age brought with it the first farmers who tilled the land and built rudimentary settlements. Stonehenge, that enigmatic monument of standing stones, stands as a testament to their ingenuity and connection to the cosmos. The Bronze Age ushered in new technologies and trade routes, connecting these early inhabitants with the wider world. Metal tools and weapons revolutionized their lives, paving the way for a more settled existence. These prehistoric communities, though lost to the mists of time, laid the very foundation upon which the grand saga of England would be written. In 55 BC, a new chapter began in England's story with the arrival of Julius Caesar and his Roman legions. Though initially repelled, the Romans returned in force, conquering the Celtic tribes and establishing their dominion over the land they called Britannia. Roman rule brought with it profound changes. They constructed roads, established cities, and introduced their laws, language, and culture. The legacy of Rome is etched into the very fabric of England. From the ruins of bathhouses and villas to the Latin roots of the English language, the Roman influence is undeniable. However, Roman rule was not to last. As the Roman Empire itself began to crumble, their grip on Britannia weakened, leaving a power vacuum that would soon be filled by new arrivals. As Roman power waned, Germanic tribes from mainland Europe, the Anglo-Saxons and Jutes, began to migrate across the North Sea, establishing their own kingdoms in the former Roman province. These Anglo-Saxon settlers, fierce warriors and skilled seafarers, brought with them their own languages, customs and beliefs, gradually forging a new identity for the land that would become England. Christianity, brought to England by Roman missionaries, took root and flourished, gradually replacing the old pagan beliefs. The Anglo-Saxon period saw the rise of powerful kings such as Alfred the Great, who fought off Viking incursions and laid the foundations for a unified England. This era of English history, though often overlooked, was a crucial period of formation, shaping the language, culture, and character of the nation to come. Section 5. Viking Fury Raids and Integration. From the late 8th century onwards, fearsome Viking raiders from Scandinavia descended upon England's shores, leaving a trail of destruction and plunder in their wake. These fierce warriors, sailing in their longships, targeted monasteries and settlements, their raids leaving a lasting mark on the English psyche. However, the Viking impact on England extended beyond mere raiding. Over time, many Vikings settled in England, integrating into the existing Anglo-Saxon society. Their language, Old Norse, left an indelible mark on the English language, enriching it with words like berserk, skull, and knife. The Viking invasions, though initially devastating, ultimately contributed to the rich tapestry of English history and identity. Section 6. The Norman Conquest. A profound transformation. In 1066, England's fate was forever altered by a single battle, the Battle of Hastings. William, Duke of Normandy, a descendant of Viking raiders, claimed the English throne, defeating the Anglo-Saxon king Harold Godwinson. The Norman Conquest, a pivotal moment in English history, brought about profound political, social and cultural changes. William the Conqueror, as he became known, established a new ruling class, imposed Norman French language and customs, and transformed the English landscape with the construction of castles and cathedrals. The fusion of Norman and Anglo-Saxon cultures laid the foundation for a new England, one that would emerge as a major power on the European stage. The legacy of the Norman Conquest is still evident today, from the architecture of our cities to the very structure of the English language. Section 7. Shaping the Nation, from Medieval to Modern England. The centuries that followed the Norman Conquest were a time of great change and upheaval. The Normans brought with them new customs, laws, and a feudal system that reshaped the social and political landscape of England. England faced internal strife, religious turmoil, and devastating plagues. The Black Death, which swept through Europe in the 14th century, decimated the population, leading to significant social and economic changes. Yet, through it all, the nation endured and evolved. The resilience of the English people during these trying times laid the foundation for future growth and development. The signing of the Magna Carta in 1215, though a result of conflict between the king and his barons, established the principle of limited monarchy, a cornerstone of English law and governance to this day. This document is often hailed as the first step towards constitutional government. England's reach extended beyond its shores, engaging in conflicts such as the 100 Years' War with France, a testament to its growing power and ambition. These wars not only shaped the nation's military prowess, but also influenced its national identity. The Renaissance, with its emphasis on learning and the arts, swept across Europe, leaving its mark on English literature, architecture, and thought. This cultural movement brought about a renewed interest in classical knowledge and inspired a wave of creativity and innovation. This period witnessed the birth of William Shakespeare, England's most celebrated playwright, whose works continue to captivate audiences worldwide. His plays, rich in language and human insight, reflect the complexities of the human condition and remain relevant to this day. Section 8. A Legacy in Language, the Enduring Impact. Perhaps England's most enduring legacy is its language. From its Anglo-Saxon roots, enriched by Norse, French and Latin influences, English has evolved into a global lingua franca, spoken by billions worldwide. The very words we use today, a blend of Germanic, Romance and Scandinavian origins, reflect England's rich and complex history. The English language, constantly evolving and adapting, is a testament to the nation's ability to absorb and integrate diverse influences. From literature and film to music and technology, the English language has become a powerful tool for communication, creativity and cultural exchange, connecting people across continents and generations. Section 9. Conclusion. England's story, a tapestry of time. The story of England is a tapestry woven from countless threads. Conquest and resilience, innovation and tradition, conflict and cooperation. Each era has added its own unique color and texture to this rich and intricate fabric, creating a narrative that is as complex as it is fascinating. From its prehistoric beginnings, marked by the mysterious Stonehenge, to its modern-day global influence, symbolized by the bustling city of London, England's journey through time has been one of constant evolution and transformation. The Victorian era, with its remarkable advancements and the cutting-edge technology of today, all tell a story of a nation that never stands still. As we have explored the grand sweep of English history, from the arrival of the Romans who left behind enduring ruins, to the expansive reach of the British Empire, we have encountered a nation shaped by its past, yet always looking towards the future. The vision of a future cityscape of England reminds us that the story is far from over. England's story is not merely confined to the history books. It lives and breathes in the very fabric of our lives, in the language we speak, the values we cherish, and the dreams we dare to dream. The works of English literature, the serene countryside, and the iconic landmarks all serve as living testaments to this enduring legacy. This small island nation, with its grand and epic history, continues to inspire, captivate, and leave an indelible mark on the world stage. From the aerial views that capture its beauty to the historical monuments that stand as silent witnesses to its past, England's story is one of perpetual inspiration and timeless influence.